Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome in Ejaz News Update. I am Badr Rajput. A high-level meeting between the Islamabad Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the CDA Officers Association underlined the need for enhanced coordination to transform Islamabad into a true business hub. Nasir Mansoor Qureshi, President ICCI, while welcoming the visiting delegation led by General Secretary CDA Officers Association Namatullah Mehsood, emphasized that strong collaboration between ICCI and CDA is essential for the city's growth and prosperity. He stressed that ICCI, as the sole representative body of over 15,000 members from the industrial, trade and service sectors, is committed to advocating for a business-friendly environment through the resolution of prevailing challenges. Highlighting the importance of mutual trust and collaboration, Qureshi stated, Islamabad belongs to all of us. We must work together as stakeholders and ensure that ICCI is consulted before implementing and decision affecting the business community. General Secretary CDA Officers Association Namatullah Mehsood acknowledged the pivotal role of the business community in the country's economic development and ensured continued support to facilitate business operations. Chairman Founder Group ICCI Tariq Sadiq shed light on the pressing issues of the industrial area and called for their immediate resolution. Sardar Khan Zamiri recalled the importance of confidence building, meaning to eliminate the trust deficit between the institutions. Former FPCCI and ICCI President Abdul Rauf stressed the need for inclusive decision making, advocating that ICCI and market leadership must be consulted to resolve key urban issues amicably. DGE and CDA Wasim Sabir assured continued efforts by the CDA for infrastructure development and provision of basic facilities. Various business leaders, including Chaudhry Mehsood, Khalid Chaudhry, Naeem Aman, Asad Aziz, Shahzad Abbasi, Raja Zulfikar, Mahmood Varai, Ishaq Sial, raised concern regarding the deteriorating state of roads, sanitation, street lights, and sewage systems, expressing hope that this dialogue would pave the way for timely redressal. Former ICCI President Mahmoud Ejaz Abbasi moderated the session, emphasizing that mutual understanding is essential for effective problem solving. Senior Vice President ICCI Abdul Rehman Siddiqui concluded with a vote of thanks, affirming that ICCI will keep organizing such fruitful engagement for Islamabad's growth and a better business climate. The session was also attended by Vice President Nasir Mahmood Chaudhry, executive members Wasim Chaudhry, Irfan Chaudhry, Malik Mohsin Khalid, Tab Gujjar, Zulfkur Nain Abbasi, Imran Minhas, Naveed Satti, former Senior Vice President Fad Wahid, and ICCI member Israr Mishwarni.